If World War III started tomorrow, you wouldn't hear the first attack. You might not even see it. No warning, no sirens, just darkness. Because the next war won't begin with soldiers. It will begin with code, machines, and weapons faster than human reaction. From hypersonic missiles that outrun sound to AI swarms that think for themselves, and invisible energy that can shut down entire nations. This is not the future. This is happening now. Today, we reveal the most dangerous weapons that could define World War III. Hypersonic weapons travel at Mach 5 or faster, over 6,000 kilometers per hour. Countries like the United States, Russia, and China are racing to dominate this technology. Unlike traditional missiles, they fly low, evade radar, and strike unpredictably. This means by the time a defense system detects them, it's already too late. In a real conflict, decision makers may have only minutes or seconds to respond. That's not just dangerous, it's destabilizing global security. AI drone swarms are often called the weapons of the future, but they already exist. These drones can communicate, adapt, and reroute themselves if attacked. Some prototypes can even learn from battlefield conditions in real time. Imagine thousands of drones entering a city, each one targeting a different location simultaneously. No pilot, no delay, no mercy. This is warfare scaled to machines. In modern warfare, destroying infrastructure is more powerful than destroying armies. A single EMP blast could send an entire country back decades. Financial systems collapse, communication ends, panic begins. At the same time, cyber warfare can shut down airports, control traffic systems, or even disable military networks. The war may start without a single bullet fired. Laser weapons don't explode, they erase. Silent, invisible, and instant. They can track and destroy targets at the speed of light with pinpoint accuracy. Unlike missiles, they don't run out of ammo as long as there's power. In future conflicts, defense systems may rely more on energy than explosives. The Poseidon isn't just a weapon, it's a message of total destruction. Designed to bypass missile defenses entirely by traveling underwater. If deployed, it could change coastlines forever. These weapons are powerful, but they also remind us how fragile our world really is. If World War III ever begins, it won't look like the past. It will be faster, smarter, and far more unpredictable. Which of these weapons do you think is the most terrifying? Comment below and subscribe for more.